session. Maybe today it would. Got it. So quickly, let me share my screen and we can start with the introduction part. So let me know if you're able to see my screen. Okay. So I'll just give my introduction, guys, for just 1 minute or 30 seconds. Then you guys can go ahead and give your introduction and from which background you are from, or whether you have testing experience, or if you don't have any experience, just let me know. Based on that, I can start today's session from a layman's perspective, or if everyone is good at testing basics, then I'll start in a different perspective. Okay, let me start my introduction, guys. You might have known my name. This is Latish, and I'll be the training for this particular trainer for this particular program. So I have around 6 years of Tosca automation experience, and I have worked on different automation tools as well. And I was been training from last 2 to 3 years, and I will be doing corporate training. I will be doing internally when I was working with my company. Currently, I was working for one of the banking sector. So where there are 270 plus automation engineers was there, and we are working for Tosca automation on that. Okay, and today it would be more on high level on Tosca, saying that what is Tosca automation tool, how easily you can able to learn it, and what are the prerequisite if you wanted to learn this tool, and how the course structure looks like. So these are the few topics which I would be taking today, and feel free to ask any question in between. And if you have any doubts or any clarification, if I'm going fast, let me stop there in between and just ask the question. Okay. Can I take the introduction from your side? Anyone? I hope I'm audible first. Let me know whether I'm audible or not. Yes, am I audible? So who wants to go and introduce yourself, guys? Nothing to worry, guys. Just feel free to introduce yourself.
Well, sir, good morning. This is Saujanya.
Yeah. Good morning, Saujanya.
Sir, actually, I don't have any background related to like testing behind.
Okay.
So I'm just new for this particular, and I'm working currently with international school as a computer educator, sir. Thank you.
Super. Thank you. So anyone else?
Hi, I'm myself Satish, and I'm not into this background at all. And I'm working as an US IT recruiter as of now. So I'm
Super,
new to this.
super. Yeah, good. Thanks, Satish.
Hi, Ritesh.
Hi.
I'm Bhavani.
Hi, Bhavani.
I don't have any experience in testing. I'm currently working with Optum.
Okay. So, good. Which means where I need to start some basics understanding about what is testing, why we are using automation testing and everything. Okay. But today's session more on Tosca introduction for you guys, because you wanted to learn this tool, correct? The expectation from you saying that how this tool looks like, whether I can able to learn it easily, whether I wanted to spend more time, or that everything you will be getting an idea if you start seeing this tool. Okay. So before I start, I'll give you some introduction about some testing basics. Okay. But when we start actual training sessions, right, 3 to 4 sessions would be on testing basics, guys. Okay. I will explain all the basics from a testing side, saying that what is testing, what is manual testing, what is automation testing, everything we will cover in the detailed session. But today it's a demo, right? We will cover in a shorter period, and I'll try to explain all the things in a shorter period. Okay. Can we go ahead? sorry, I missed my slide. Otherwise, I would have put on my slide. Due to my formatting issue, I lost my slide as well. So no, sorry for that. I'm not presenting any slide, but I will be having a word and I'll try to explain the concepts here. So we wanted to learn about Tosca automation, correct? We wanted to learn about Tosca automation. But if you wanted to learn Tosca, so everyone agenda is this only, right? We wanted to learn Tosca automation, correct? So what is automation tool? So how you will say that if you see in the IT market, right? There are so many domains. There are Java, .NET, testing, database, DevOps. There are different sectors. Even I know only few terminologies in IT, but I don't know everything in IT. Okay, that much big different technologies are available. You can't remember all these things. Even though you are a CV of the company, also you can't remember all these things. For that, we have one community. If you wanted to learn Tosca automation, right, we are going to sit in one community. What is that community? Is called testing community. We are going to start our career to IT for a testing community purpose. So, you know, right, community in the sense group of people. So where all the testing team in the different companies will be part of testing community. If I say I would be part of testing community because I was working for a testing for last 6 years, right? So that's what I would say. I'm part of testing community. You wanted to start, join to the testing community. If you wanted to start, you should know, or you should have done some experience, or if you wanted to, you have to be good knowledge on this. So using this session, I would be giving some idea on what is testing. So you wanted to start your career with testing community, but you have to know about what is that, right? Without knowing that, you can't start the career. Simply, what is testing? In real time also, you will be doing some testing in your real situation also, where you went to shopping mall, or you went to online. If you wanted to do some online purchase, you will do some testing. Or if you wanted to buy some phone, you will do some testing, right? Whether this camera is working properly or not, whether I can able to capture the proper things or not. So that is also some kind of testing, whether it is working fine or not. The same thing in IT also, we will do some kind of testing, but how we are going to do the testing is a different story. But the definition of testing is simple. You are going to test that. What we are going to test it. So I'll take one example, guys. Before I take that example, testing is mandatory in IT projects. Testing is mandatory. People are telling in the market saying that we don't need testers, we need only developers. That statement is wrong. Why? I will give you one example, then you will understand why testing is mandatory. Okay. You might have heard about every October we will be getting one Amazon sale, Flipkart sale, or year-end sale kind of that. We will be getting in Amazon, right? Yes.
Yes.
So there are so many people will be waiting for that particular date. Once that product release, right, they're ready to purchase that product. Correct? Which means everyone, even I also waited for one of the product. I wanted to purchase that. Okay. Think that I wanted to purchase Apple 13, iPhone 13 Max Pro. Okay. It cost around 1,20,000. Okay. 1.2K. But actual cost is 1.20,000. But in Amazon, I would able, let me show you that also. I don't say this is the issue in the application, but as of now, there is no issue, but I wanted to tell you. So think that if I wanted to purchase iPhone 13 Pro Max, what is the cost here?